Jen, what are we making?
I don't know.
We're making brains poutine.
Shut up.
So today we're making brains poutine. The ingredients, brains, and blood. Oh, and don't forget the potatoes because, you know, poutine.
Oh, that's it? That's all you want?
That's all I'm saying. YouTube, don't ban me. Why did you do this to me?
What is that to my share?
You gonna take it more?
Liar. Oh, you're gonna be upset with me.
Why? Because you're gonna go back and forth?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Jennifer.
I think that's good enough. I don't want too much sauce, man.
Mm-hmm. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Jen, did you enjoy?
No.
Why not? Brains taste so good.
We use ground chicken. I don't know how we met that.
Why did you?
We use ground chicken. What's the problem?
Jen likes to lie. It wasn't ground chicken, it was brains. Where's the spookiness in that?
I was going to say I want to do shredded chicken.
Yeah, okay, it was ground chicken.
Ground chicken would have been good for like the buffalo, whatever, brains dip.
Brains dip instead. Anyways, okay. Let me just say this right now so that we can clarify. If you're still watching, in the beginning we said it was brains poutine. It's actually chicken and the blood is Frank's Red Hot Sauce. So in the end, it's all edible, it's all good.
The brains are edible.
But, I mean, are they?
Yes.
Oh, okay, it's all...
You can eat cow brains. It's called sweetbread.
I don't know what to say then. What is it? It's YouTube friendly. That's what I should say. Because I don't think brains is YouTube friendly.
I think it's called sweetbread. I don't know.
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, I enjoyed it. I liked it. Why didn't you like it? You just...
It was ground meat.
Oh yeah, you said shredded chicken. Shredded meat would have been better. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I don't really have anything else to say other than that because the potatoes were good and the hot sauce was good. I thought it was going to be way too spicy.
Well,
but
no, that's because we added beer.
Exactly. If you let me finish speaking. Who
No.
are you? Huh? Are you a mom now?
That's not nice.
Anyways, yeah, we added beer. It was a bit thicker than I was thinking it was going to be because Jen added flour. But
You're supposed to add flour. What you talking about,
but
Willis?
did you add too much because it got too thick?
No. Alright, Willis, are you done?
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. What should they comment?
Sweetbread.
Alright, like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and until next time, we'll see you later.